Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to download games from the Epic Games library. First, open the Epic Games launcher, or download it if you haven't already. Then in the store, either purchase or grab a game. Sometimes they give them out for free. That's right. See, it's free right now. Go in and grab the game. Or if it's free, just download it. Click Get. Then click Add to Library. It'll look like a payment screen, even though the game is free. Then click View in Library, or just go to the library and hit the Install button, like this, and click Install. And the download and installation will begin, after which you can find it right here, launch it, or filter by installed games and launch them from there. That's all there is to it. This was Valor. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you everyone.